Good afternoon and welcome to the weekly weather briefing from the National Weather Service in Spokane for Monday, June 11th. Alright, here's a look at the main points we'll be going over today. The main issues this week are going to be cold temperatures tonight, winds on Wednesday, some showers and thunderstorms late in the week and for the weekend, and then a big warm up next week. So we'll start by talking about the chance for some very cold and localized at or below freezing temperatures on Tuesday morning. So these temperatures aren't going to be cold enough that we need to worry about any irrigation equipment or anything being damaged, but really just to let you know that any sensitive plants could be prone to damage if you want to cover those up, and give you guys a heads up that those cold pockets are going to be there, especially in the northern valleys that are more sheltered. Otherwise, Tuesday is going to be sunny and dry and be warming into the 70s and low 80s. So we have issued a freeze warning to address these cold pockets, and you can see them here highlighted in purple. Alright, on to the temperatures. After our major cool down this past weekend, we're on our way back up towards average. You can see on the right hand side our average temperatures for this time of year. And you can see we're going to be peaking on Wednesday in the 70s and low 80s before another cold front drops us down a bit for Thursday. And beyond that, we're going to start a steady climb up and up some more until we get into next week. And it's a little bit farther out there, but all indications are that Sunday, Monday time frame is going to start a warm up to above average temperatures. And by the middle of next week, we could potentially see some 90s and even near 100 in the deep basin. So stay tuned for more information as we get closer to that. Alright, rain and thunderstorm chances. We're going to be dry, like I said, today and tomorrow. And rain and thunderstorm chances are going to return by the middle of the week. So Wednesday, really just for the mountains, is the only areas we expect to see any showers. And then by Thursday, again, just with the mountains, and this time concentrated mainly over the Cascades and the northern mountains of Washington and Idaho. And then by Friday, we start to see shower chances expanding more into the basin with some afternoon pop-up showers pretty much across, potentially across the whole basin, but especially over the eastern basin and in the mountains. And then Saturday looks to be the wettest day. We'll see shower chances expanding over much of the inland northwest on Saturday. And again, the chances are better the further east you are in the basin and in the mountains and the Idaho Panhandle. And by Sunday, the system is on its way out, and our shower chances are going to be decreasing. We're going to be drying out with just a slight chance of precipitation on Sunday to finish out the weekend. Alright, and then on to winds. So the only day that we're expecting wind issues would be on Wednesday afternoon and evening. We do expect the cold front that's going to be dropping our temperatures by Thursday to bring some gusty winds on Wednesday. And these aren't anything too big or impactful, really just a nuisance that we wanted to let you know about ahead of time. And then looking out into the extended period. So looking at the 8 to 14 day outlook, which will be valid for the 18th through the 24th, you can see that the Climate Prediction Center is calling for elevated odds of warmer than normal and drier than normal conditions. And you can see that the odds of the hotter than normal conditions are very high. You see 60 to 70, even 80% chance of seeing above average temperatures, which is significant for these outlooks. So we do expect quite a big warm up to start and finish out next week. Alright, thanks for joining us for this weather briefing, and be sure to keep an eye on the forecast by checking our website or our social media pages. Have a great week.